when minds have learned to mingle, when no thought is wholly one's own, when one has had too much of the other, ever to be himself alone, then only do we know what it is to be human. Run, little rabbit, run, but be forewarned, the monster is legion. It has scores of legs to track you down.
And as many eyes to see you coming. It's like racing with the moon.
Or escaping your own shadow.
Psst. Hey, you. We've got passengers. You can't hang on, but you can't let go.
Good morning, Dr. Fry. All packed up, I see.
See this?
Oh, yes, shame. Well, he was a good man. The police suspect he'd been drinking.
What was he doing up there anyway? Dan hated Langston. Called him a mad scientist more than once.
A renegade psychiatrist forming a mysterious cult, sequestered away in a hidden mountain retreat. It all sounds very romantic. Maybe he was going to join them.
Well, now this place is closing down, perhaps I should too. There's nothing for me to do here.
Samuel, if you're worried you're out of a job, don't be. I have it all worked out for you at the new clinic.
Come on, not the brain spa thing again.
You have to get with the times, my boy. It's cutting-edge stuff. Memory enhancement, right brain training, smart drugs. Very popular in Japan and very lucrative.
I may be a little old-fashioned, but I believe in hope for every human being, not just those who can pay for it. You don't need me, Andy, but the free clinic does.
Bob, come in. Samuel, this is Bob Picardo. Bob with the talented Dr. Samuel Fry. He's the one I told you about.
Heard a lot about you, Fry. I was a Harvard man myself.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Didn't last more than a semester, but I was there. Summa cum fuck up. That is me. Ain't there a lot of good schools in England? What brings you to the colonies?
The truth is, Mr. Picardo, there are a lot more mental patients in America. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have my rounds to tend to.
What's with him?
Give me a moment, Bob. What the hell do you think you were doing in there? Picardo is the biggest investor in the brain spa. That's your future in there.
Not mine. I've had enough. How in hell do you justify putting patients like Veronica Bloom out on the street? You know her history. You know what might happen.
Miss Bloom isn't your problem anymore. With the proper medication and her government checks, she'll get by just fine.
She doesn't want medication. She's allergic to half the drugs we use. We've made incredible progress without them.
In a controlled environment, insulated from the real world. You haven't helped any of your patients. You've institutionalized them. And Till Miss Bum is released from this hospital, you are on staff. And as your supervisor, I insist that you convince her to rejoin the human race. And besides, when you look like her, there'll always be some sucker to take care of you, don't you think? Go set her free, Samuel. And set yourself free in the process.
Veronica?
Hello, Samuel.
How are you feeling today?
I don't know. It's a little lonely here now. Where'd everyone go?
Home? Back to their families?
Well, why hasn't anyone come for me?
They can't come, Veronica, I'm sorry.
Why not?
Because of the incident.
That's right. God, it was so long ago sometime I forget what I did.
The voices did it, not you, remember? Isn't that what we decided? When you finally silence the voices, you'll be free to live your life. You'll never see the inside of a hospital again.
But I'm happy here. I'm safe.
There is no here, not anymore. Neither of us have a choice about this. Here, I want you to take these. I've checked it out. This medication is completely safe for you and the side effects are minimal.
Well, what if the voices come back?
Then you call me. But if you keep taking this medication and you don't let the voices get at you, eventually they'll be silent and you'll be all alone inside your head, just like the rest of us. All right? If there's anything you need, anything you can talk, just call my service. I'll do whatever I can.
Dr. Fry? Don't do this to me. If you leave me, I won't take the medication. I'll do whatever the voices want. I swear I will. I'm so afraid. Where'll I go? Please don't leave me alone. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! That's how they get in, you know. I lived here so long. I can't make it out there. There has to be a place left for people like me.
I think there might be, yes.
You'll take me there, please?
Yes. Yes, I will.
I see. Thank you, Miss Summers. Bingo. I told you he'd do it. He's a sucker.
How the hell does this get my boy away from that goddamn cult?
He's kidnapped a highly unstable ward of the state who requires constant psychiatric care. If Langston takes Fry in, he'll be harboring a fugitive. Legally, that's the wedge we need. You'll get your son back. And whatever Langston is working on will be mine.
Never do that when someone's driving. It's very dangerous, do you understand? It's enough, Veronica! Stop it!
Schizophrenia I can handle. Car sickness. Come on. Come on. There we go. It's wonderful here. Don't you think?
I don't like it here. It's creepy.
I think of it as a kind of therapy, then.
Before I commit you to another institution, I want you to know what you're missing.
It's so big and open. It makes me feel so small.
Well, we are small. That's beautiful. There's a whole big wide world out there waiting for you to explore.
Okay, we've explored it. Can we go now?
Oh, no, let's eat. I'm starved.
Not really hungry.
A toast to your 10 minutes of freedom. And a beautiful bouquet for a very beautiful young woman.
I don't understand. Why do people say things like that? What if I had stringy hair and saggy tits and scars all over my face? If my outsides looked like my insides, I wouldn't be here with you.
Of course you would. I'm your doctor. I care about you. I'd help you no matter what you look like. My job is to understand what's going on inside your head. What is it?
They're bugs. They're everywhere.
They're just ants.
Disgusting. I hate them. Do they follow me everywhere I go?
Calm down, Veronica. It's all right. They won't hurt you.
Get them up! Get them off me!
You're late.
You're never late until you arrive, isn't that what they say?
They weren't waiting for you. Catatonic?
No, I gave her a mild sedative and she still hasn't come out of it yet.
Drugs.
For hospital, it's terribly dark in here.
Dr. Langston believes that delusions should be cultivated like mushrooms. Shed too much light on a subject and everything crawls back into the woodwork.
So I take it Dr. Langston's given up trying to reintegrate his patients into society.
Society is the greatest asylum of them all.
I can't say I disagree.
He's waiting for you.
Well, thank you. Oh, about Miss Bloom.
Well, if it isn't the young Dr. Samuel Fry. Welcome to the last good old-fashioned madhouse. May I show you in?
Ah, yeah, she's quite a character.
Indeed, indeed, indeed. You heard about Dan Wyatt, did you?
The rumors are flying.
And yet you still brought a patient to me.
Where else could I go? I mean, psychiatrists have become pharmacists. They no longer slay the monster, they tranquilize it without ever bothering to truly understand.
Precisely. And what if the poets are right? And that genius is simply another form of madness?
Then we, the self-proclaimed healers, will have committed the worst crime against humanity imaginable. The destruction of genius.
You remembered. I'm flattered.
I must have read your book 100 times in college.
100 times.
Oh, did you know Dan Wyatt and I almost got into a fist fight over it one night?
Dan Wyatt.
Yeah. I thought it was brilliant, and he thought it was tripe.
Yeah, you know, Miller sent him here. Miller, that old charlatan.
What could Dan have possibly seen that would make him run out of here in the middle of the night?
Who knows what sets a man off?
You're not easily frightened these days, are you, Sam?
Try me.
I've got something to show you. Come here. This is Hollister Wachtel, our split brain patient. He came to us after a brain surgeon's rather shocking attempt to cure his radical epilepsy. He severed the corpus callosum, destroying communication between the two hemispheres of the brain. But in a strange way it worked. Now, let me show you. Hollister, would you play something for us? Thank you. Watch. Listen.
Looks like a cockfighter.
Yeah, but you see how the stronger left is made to defend while the clever right goes for the throat? See that? But with the help of a tiny transmitter implanted near the base of the cerebellum, these polarized wills become birds of a feather.
It's quite a trick.
Stunning. He's completely cured.
That's unimportant. But the main thing is, it made me wonder if two violently opposed minds in one body can be reunited, is it not possible to do the same thing with conflicting personalities in separate bodies or even in a group? I mean, wouldn't it be wonderful, even at this late hour, to have a true universal consciousness? Because let's face it, Samuel, I mean, religions never work, and therapy's a joke, and drugs, they've caused more trouble than they've helped. You know, man has failed to create a working society since we crawled out of the soup.
Same old Harvey, always against the grain, eh?
Ah, they say the man who speaks the truth shall be driven out of 1,000 villages. So we have formed our own little village. You must be tired after your journey.
I would really like to discuss with you Miss Bloom's case.
Indeed, yes. Tomorrow. But you're tired, you need some rest. It's wonderful to have you here, Samuel. Wonderful. And Myrna will show you to your room.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, good night, Harvey.
Good night, Samuel. Yeah. It must be a long time since you dreamt of the garden and its serpents.
The sheets are clean. I hope you'll be comfortable.
I'm sure they'll be fine. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's fine. Oh, Myrna. He's gone mad, hasn't he?
Quite. Up with those legs. Like a filly, like a filly. Come on, dance. Dance like a filly. Oh, never mind, just turn for me. Turn, 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 turn. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, spin, 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 spin. Blair? 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 Blair?
Я тебе наказал. Я так стулетка, но не так, стулетка.
I was wondering who was wandering.
And who might you be?
To tell the truth, I've just forgot. So why don't you ask me who I'm not?
All right, well, for starters, you're not Dr. Langston, and you're certainly not me.
He plus she is we. If you slide deep inside, there are places to hide.
Can you speak without rhyming?
Goddamn motherfucker, son of a bitch, fucking bastard, cock-sucking asshole. Fuck you, you fucker.
I think I prefer the rhyme, thank you.
To speak in rhyme or sing a song, it's just one way to control my tongue. You play the woman and I'll play the man. The things about love that you don't understand. When one is on fire, the other gets burned. So give it up, baby. The worm has turned.
Blair, I would like you to meet Dr. Fry.
Dr. Langston, I mean, this isn't what you think it is.
It's exactly what I think, but I must apologize to you, Samuel. Blair comes as a bit of a shock to polite folk. I should have warned you.
Since when are you qualified to do surgery? That's my patient you're toying with.
Well, she's not your anything anymore. She's ours now, and we will help her together, won't we? Isn't that what you had in mind?
I want to see her right away.
She's resting comfortably, and so should you. You can see her in the morning. Run along, my dear. Have no fear.
Goddamn.
Tourette syndrome, foul-mouth disease.
Well, yes, I have a theory about that it is a form of glossolalia, speaking in tongues, and I have taught her to channel her obscenities into the discipline of poetry. The story of civilization in a nutshell, don't you think?
You make everything sound so grandiose. She's just a sick little girl.
No, grandeur is not a delusion. It's a birthright. Do me a favor, will you? Lock yourself in tonight. You never know who's wandering around. Yeah. Besides, it's a full moon. Pleasant dreams.
Is she heavy?
A little, yes.
Wish I had that problem. The bitch is grounded. Stuck here on Earth. I'd service her myself, but there's not much Vern Huckabee could do for the ladies on this planet. Chain myself to the bed. I chained the bed to the sink and still they managed to abduct me. I wake up feeling weightless. Sucked dry in a sperm bank in the next galaxy. Did you weigh yourself this morning?
Can't say that I did.
I've got a scale in my room. A couple of them, actually. You're welcome to stop by.
Thank you.
Don't mention it. We gotta stick together on this.
Shoulders down, relax, like a frog.
Do you dance, Samuel?
Unfortunately, I never learned.
Really? Neither did I.
Samuel, how are you feeling?
Harvey, I just found Miss Bloom sprawled on her floor. I found an incision behind her ear. I want to know what's happened.
All will be revealed to you in due course, but for now, are you ready to see the boy?
I don't know what the hell you're talking about. What boy?
Samuel, you're so transparent. But bring him the girl. That was a nice touch. I like that.
Knight takes queen.
What?
The next move, here. Look. Knight takes queen. Check, I think.
Good. Very good. I've been playing that long distance with a friend. It's been his move for months.
What about Veronica?
Bobby.
You called Dr. Langston?
Yes, Bobby, I want you to meet Dr. Fry. He's going to talk to you.
Bacardo sent you, didn't they?
No one sent me, young man. Harvey, I don't know anything about this.
Liar! You're just like the other guy. Like I told him, I got nothing to say to them. I disown them.
Why is that? Have these Bacardos, they're your parents, I assume, have they scared you or hurt you in some way?
I have no parents.
I appreciate that, but they might disagree. You're still their son, their flesh and blood.
Makes me want to puke.
Tell me, Samuel, do you think that is their puke, too?
You're not helping, Harvey.
No, Bobby. Tell them why your parents sent you to me.
Because I stutter.
What? That's hardly a reason.
No, but they cast him aside because they were ashamed of him.
This is my family now. I'm happy here. I'm not leaving. So tell them to forget me. See you in group, Dr. Langston. See you around.
There, I talked to the boy. You satisfied?
No, the question is, are you satisfied? You see, there is no coercion here. There is no brainwashing. All we have is solidarity. Is there anything else that you would like to know about?
I really don't care what I care about.
I think you're going to find this one of the most interesting group sessions that you've ever witnessed. And you can join in if you like.
I think I'll remain a passive observer for now, thank you.
Good for you. Now, if you excuse me, I have to continue work on my memoirs.
Oh, I look forward to reading them.
And so you should. I think you're going to be rather heavily featured in them. Mona, do you feel like doing a little dancing for Dr. Fry?
The common air, our shared breath of life, keeps our heavenly bodies aloft, carrying us away from the here and now. We stake our claim to grace on a whim. Spinning and spinning around ourselves.
She dances so beautifully.
Oh, yeah. Myrna lives for the dance.
I mean, my patient, Veronica.
You don't know what you mean.
What's wrong with Myrna's legs?
Well, absolutely nothing. I mean, you must remember that this is a madhouse. It's not a hospital. I mean, her torment is entirely self-inflicted.
Have you tried to help her?
Well, we've all tried, but as you know, science does not hold many remedies for matters of the heart. A sentiment you will appreciate, no doubt.
So what's your prognosis?
My prognosis? Someday her prince will come.
All right, my children. Let's shake it up a little. Rattle the old ego. Smash
The self.
Swimming in a sea of shared emotions. It's an orgy of unimaginable sensations.
That's enough!
You're supposed to be helping these people, not encouraging them.
On the contrary, you must encourage them, and you must remember the true meaning of the word asylum is a place where you are allowed to be mad.
You're insane!
Oh, yes! Your diagnosis is correct, Doctor.
You can't help these people if you're sick yourself.
On the contrary, that is the only way we can help them.
When minds have learned to mingle,
When no thought is wholly one's own, and each has had too much of the other ever to be entirely himself, alone. Only then will we know what it is to be human.
Is there a doctor in the house? Mad doctor in a mad house!
Langston, you son of a bitch.
Be careful, Doctor, what you say around here. You might end up stabbing yourself in the back.
This is not right. He's supposed to be healing his patients, not keeping them as curiosities.
Keeping? Keeping? The doors aren't locked. There are no bars on the windows. If I were you, I'd reconsider who is free and who is the prisoner.
Where's my car? Where's my car?
Operator.
Yeah, I need to get a cab out of here.
Where's here?
Just outside Blue Ridge, the Langston Institute.
I'm sorry, Dr. Fry, but you can't get there from here.
Hello, Samuel. How are you feeling?
You've put something in my head. You've turned me into one of them.
Well, not one of them. You're one of us now.
But Harvey, you're a very dangerous man. Whatever it is you're doing, you've got to be stopped for your own good and for the good of your patients.
Be careful, be careful. If one of us is attacked, we all become defensive. Besides, where is your scientific curiosity? You're like a chef that doesn't taste his own recipes. Give us a chance to convince you.
Oh, you already have.
That was something that was unexpected when it first occurred, that we were able to share our pain, instant retribution, the perfect formula for a self-regulating society.
Hurts like a bitch, don't it? Give it back. We can take it.
It's gone.
See, Samuel, I have accomplished something that every psychiatrist since Christ has only dreamt of. That not only do we enter our patients' minds and discuss their fears, their traumas, and their desires, but we can experience them and then truly help them and ourselves. Don't you think it's a shame that this better world is only allowed to exist in an asylum?
Oh my God, these transmitters, you've created some sort of group mind.
Group mind, collective consciousness, call it what you will. It works, doesn't it?
It's incestuous. All of you gathered here in the dark, indulging in each other's diseases.
You're the disease.
You're destroying what the evolution of the whole species has been about. It's the power of the individual.
If any species is to survive, it must survive as a group. And please don't preach to me the sanctity of the individual. It's just that you're scared to death that your pitiful little ego will be swallowed up by something that is larger than yourself.
You don't know anything about me?
Yes, we do, Mr. Cock-a-doodle-doo. We know everything about you. I've been inside of you. I've tasted your pain. Yummy, 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 yummy. Very good pain. I know your innermost secrets. You're longing for the same things we are, to be loved and accepted for what we are.
What about man's right to determine his own fate, think his own thoughts, feel his own pain?
Is pain so sacred? Isn't that what love and friendship and even therapy are all about? The sharing of pain? I'm embarrassed for you, a doctor that can't enter his patients' heads. You know, I need you. I need you, Samuel. I'm old. I'm tired of this worn-out shell. I need a successor. Someone who will not be corrupted by power. Someone like yourself. Now, there are no prisoners here. And if in the morning when you wake up, you still wish to leave, we'll remove this little implant in your head, and you'll be alone again. Sleep on it.
You be warned, Harvey. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link.
Oh, yes, we're aware of that. Don't worry. We'll support you.
You like him?
Yeah, there's something about him. I think the strength in his weakness. You know that I think I found my successor.
You could put him in charge, but that won't make him our leader.
Bernard, please try to understand. We need someone who can be a figurehead. A doctor, not a patient. Besides, I need you in another capacity. I need you to draw him into the flock. Because you are my favorite puppeteer.
No, Veronica, you must understand that you are the music. Every muscle is a note, every step a symphony. Now, come on, try again. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Ah, nice to see you visit us. Just in time to join us in our dance therapy. Our patient's making such great headway. Oh, let me show you what she can do. 1, 2. don't dance?
Should I?
Or should a man breathe, eat, make love? A man who doesn't dance isn't much of a man. He has no way to express his libido other than maybe a quick fuck. Wouldn't you say?
I certainly would not say that. I just find that sort of dance inappropriate.
You would. Hollister, play something appropriate for our Dr. Fry. A waltz, perhaps. It's your move, Dr. Fry.
That's enough now. See? Can't do what you don't know.
You can't do what you don't feel. Try again.
I'm still alive. You didn't try to kill me. Whatever Langston did you, you're cured. We have to get out of this place right away. All you have to do is say that you love me and that you will come with me. Yeah, say that, Veronica, say that.
Say what?
Say, yes, Samuel, I'll come with you.
Yes, Samuel, I'll come with you.
Holly. No more games, I'm leaving. And I'm taking Veronica with me.
I'm afraid she's already spoken for 12 times over.
Some of us prefer to believe we are beyond traveling in packs.
But what makes you so sure that Veronica wants to leave?
I can't thank you enough for what you've done for me. Granted, you cured her, but I know what's best for her. Thanks to you, for the first time in a long time, I have a shot at making someone happy.
Yeah, but the question is, whom? You still don't understand, do you?
Maybe not, but she says she wants to leave, and I won't allow anything to come between us. I think I might love her.
You love yourself, if that.
Was it good for you too, Sammy?
Everything's always musical chairs here, isn't it? That way nobody ever takes the blame. Did you ever dance, Mana?
Oh, that's all I have ever done.
Is it? Oh, Mana.
Mana, you really are very lucky. Psychiatry's come a long way now. Imagine what it would be like for you to dance on your own again.
On my own? Or with you?
If you need me, yes.
I need you.
Well, then don't worry. I'll be there for you.
Will you?
Of course. I'm a doctor.
Well, then you must must excuse me. I have to tend to Veronica.
Oh, no. You leave Veronica to me.
Veronica doesn't need you. She needs me.
Oh, isn't it the other way round? Aren't you tired of feeding off her beauty?
Don't you talk to me about beauty. It's not even something that you were born with. It's just a nose job away, a silicone injection in the lip. Loving a woman for her beauty is like judging a book by its cover. You cannot love a book unless you've read it.
I know that. But Veronica isn't just beautiful on the outside, she's beautiful in here. She'd be beautiful no matter what she looked like.
Would she really?
Really?
If I were you, Dr. Samuel Fry, I would leave here as soon as possible.
Well, not without Veronica.
I am warning you. We will not stand for this.
Oh, you don't stand for anything.
Veronica? Veronica, open up! Veronica? Veronica!
Go away, you bastard!
The question is, why did Jonah want to leave the belly of the whale? Because in the belly of the whale, in a moment, you either become the whale or you are chewed up and spat out and lost forever in the deepest ocean. But all of us here know the truth, that it is better to be digested than rejected. You either belong or you are not.
Bobby's folks, the Picardos.
Yeah, so Andrew, how are you?
You remember the Picardos, don't you, Harvey?
Of course, Mr. and Mrs. Nice to see you.
Dr. Langston, please. We'd like to see what progress you've made with Bobby.
With whom?
Our little boy.
Oh, that implies a sense of ownership. I'm sorry that Bobby is no longer yours.
Don't make this worse, Harvey. We've only come for their boy.
You quack. You promised results. We hear nothing for months, then my boy tells my wife on the phone, hey, mama, fuck off. I put a fortune into this place, Langston, and the kid still sounds like a friggin' jackhammer. We're tired of waiting, Langston. We came to get our Bobby, and we don't want any more of your bullshit.
Oh, gentlemen, please. There must be some reasonable way to settle this.
Settle my ass. We sent you here to rescue my goddamn boy from this maniac's cult.
That's right. You're a stark raving madman, Langston. I'm a menace to society.
Well, thank you very much. Is that true, Samuel? Did they send you?
I don't understand a word he's saying.
Cough up my boy.
Bobby?
Yes, Dr. Langston?
Bobby, get away from me. I disown you.
No, Bobby, you're our boy.
Bobby doesn't belong to you, bloated bag of pus. Bobby now belongs to us.
Is that supposed to be funny? Is making fun of my son's disability your idea of a joke?
Bobby doesn't belong to you. We disown you.
I'm afraid that Bobby now considers you a genetic embarrassment.
What? Now, you listen, asshole.
Mr. Picardo, we have to work through this. Bobby's having a rough time right now.
You shrinks all stick together, don't you? I want some answers, Miller, or you can kiss your cash cow adios. You got me?
It's more complicated than you think.
What's that mean? You stutter or you don't. Jesus, what the hell is going on here?
It's obvious the boy doesn't want to leave.
Who's asking him? I'm his father. I know what's best for him, whether he likes it or not. Oh, you always blame the folks, don't you? Well, I got news for you, Fry. We all got moms and dads. What do you think about that? It ain't our fault that our kids screwed up. We got problems of our own, you know.
I don't doubt it for a second, Mr. Picardo. If you just listen to me for a moment.
No, you listen. My boy is coming out of this circus, even if I have to drag him out by his hair. Is that clear enough for you?
Mr. Picardo, this is totally inappropriate behavior.
I said, is that clear?
Please, just...
You son of a bitch!
All right, that's enough. Come along, son.
Come on, wait!
Fry, you cut me. Next time I'm coming back, I'm coming with the police. You know what you are? You're a loser. You're a backstabbing, spineless... Sit!
Motherfucker, son of a fucking cocksucking asshole. Fuck you. You fucker. We're one for all and all for one. Bobby Picardo's not your son!
I to warn you, but you would not run.
Please, just leave us alone. That's all we ask.
Over my dead body!
Excellent prescription, Doctor. And such a minor operation.
Don't let them do this. Stop it.
No! Bobby! Bobby!
Don't talk to her! Don't talk to her!
Veronica, we have to leave here right away.
Are you with me? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3.
Listen to me, Veronica. Fight them! Don't let them into your head. Think of all the wonderful things that are out there waiting for us. I love you, Veronica.
I love you too, Samuel. But I got someone else who does the dirty work for me.
Fight them! Fight them, Veronica!
Samuel?
We're not gonna let you take her.
We, you bitch. You think you found the perfect society where everyone is equal, but you're wrong, and I know that. One ego overpowers all of you, and it's not Langston, it's her! Look at her! There's your petty little tyrant making everyone dance to the beat of her drum!
No, you just don't understand.
You don't walk because you don't have to. Here are your arms and your legs and your eyes and your ears. Without them, you are nothing!
You have no idea what I am. What I can be. Show him that I am one of you. can do.
You're disgusting. You used these poor people to murder Dr. Miller. You used me. I devoted my entire life to helping people, and you turned me into a murderer.
No. Just look around you, for heaven's sake. There's only one killer here, and you brought her.
I beg your fucking pardon.
Why? Didn't you tell us she was a psychopath? If anybody killed anybody here, it was you. You poisoned us by bringing your fucking little bitch. I tried.
I know. No, you did. It's all right.
I really tried.
It's all right.
Are you all right? I knew I wasn't imagining it. Wet dreams fire!
Don't look back, darling, please.
But she knows what's there. Head is only darkness. Back there is home.
We'll get a new home, Together.
Ha! We can never be together. Her new friends, that's all she has. What good is it to take her away? Without them, she's just like the one in the mirror. Not really there.
I believe in you. I love Veronica Bloom for who she is, not what others have made her.
And if that's all she is?
And I'll help you stand up for yourself.
Bullshit! Be careful, Sammy. You're all alone. The lights are on, but nobody's home.
We're leaving you behind. We're moving out of your range. We're gonna make it.
I love him. He has a free spirit, but his heart drives him to go under.
Hey, Sheriff. Oh, you gotta help me. I've just managed to escape from the Langston Institute.
No kidding.
Yeah, Dr. Langston, he's just gone insane. He's discovered a radical new therapy. It's a group mind.
Group mind?
Yeah, all for one and one for all, you know? Their psyches interconnected by nanotransmitters implanted at the bases of their brains. Now, I know, that sounds completely... Look, that's how they got me. Look, one in here, right there. Look. So they tried to impose their madness on me to drive me crazy too, so I could be their leader, but it didn't work because I know my way around the human mind, you see. So I fought my way out. Here I am.
Lucky for you. So what can I do to help?
Someone must destroy this experiment. I mean, they're talking revolution. No, subversion of the ego. There's all our egos here. Don't you get it? 10,000 years of evolution down the drain.
That's quite a story. Look, why don't you just sit down and relax? Huh? We won't have anyone destroying the world with what do you call that?
Group mind.
Group mind. Yeah, group mind.
Yeah.
Nasty damn thing. Look, will you excuse me just 1 second?
Who are you calling?
The authorities. Who else? Now, there's a coffee machine over there. Why don't you get yourself a cup and just relax?
Excuse me.
There's some here. What a night. Going for.
Tell him Knight takes Queen.
Hang on 1 second, will you, please? Come again?
Langston. Knight takes Queen. Oh, Jesus, you're in on it too, aren't you?
Come on, just relax, Doc.
You're one of them, right?
Nobody's gonna hurt you. We're just a little worried about you, that's all. Now, why don't you tell me where the girl is?
They must have called ahead. But don't worry. Everything will be all right when we get to the city.
Veronica, wake up, huh? Veronica. Oh, God, they won't let go of you, will they? I'm not saving you by running. I'm not saving anyone by running. They're mad, all of them. Harvey and Myrna included. I've left the lunatics in charge of the asylum. I'm still a doctor. If I don't go back now, I might as well abandon everything I've ever believed in.
How touching. The lovebirds have returned to the roost.
What have you done to Veronica?
What's the matter, Doctor? Have you discovered that Veronica is not all she's cracked up to be?
What have you done to her?
Not we. You. She suffered an allergic reaction to the drugs you gave her. She was in a coma when she got here, and she never came out of it. She's brain dead. Do you understand? She doesn't even exist, except as an extension of us.
That's impossible. I love her.
Do you really? Well, tell me what it is that you love about her most.
Oh, where do I start? I love her touch. I love her grace. I love her passion. I love her soul. She's...
Oh, well, not the meat, but the motion. Not the sweat, but the heat. Not the fangs, but the poison. Oh! When will you realize that it is just a case of mistaken identity?
What do you mean?
It was Veronica's body, but it was my touch, my grace, my passion. It was her flesh, but it was my soul.
No.
Men! Oh! You are all alike! Cosmetics, cosmetics, cosmetics. When you were looking in her eyes, it was me looking back. You don't love Veronica. You love me. And I love you.
I don't want to hear this.
I love you. I love you, not for what's on the outside, but for what's inside, for what's in here.
Don't you understand? There is nothing in here! Not for you!
Well, what do you know about love? Anyway, you're dead. Dead as she is. A slave to the flesh, but I can do anything I want. I can stop dead in my tracks, return to the womb, or head out into the universe. Anything that is done to me is just as easily undone by me. Only I will decide whether to be a crutch or a cripple.
What's wrong with you? I think he's having a heart attack.
Give us the pain. We can take it.
Death holds no fear. Witness the miracle of the group mind. It retains the spirit after the body is gone. We die because we cannot die. Do you think that there's a Nobel Prize in this? For me.
We'll take care of it.
See, my love, I did it for you. Now you can have your cake and eat it too. That is what you wanted, isn't it, Samuel?
Doesn't matter what I want. Is this what you want?
1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3.
Oh, no, no.
I'm sorry. I didn't understand. I didn't want to understand. But I know it now. Without you, I'm incomplete. But I guess it's too late to read the book now. I ruin everything I touch.
Touch me. Touch me.
You have a lot of bodies to account for, my friend.
Oh, good afternoon, officer. I can explain everything.
Good. Let's start with why you were driving a stolen car with a dead man in the trunk.
The cavalry has arrived. No more death and destruction. Bob Bacardo's the name of Bacardo Construction.
We're Bobby's parents.
It seems Dr. Langston here suffered cardiac arrest.
Dr. Fry tried to save him. He did his best.
But when it's your time, well, who are we to stand in the Lord's way?
So who killed the man in the car then?
His name is Dr. Andrew Miller. He wanted to shut down Langston's shop, so he sent Dr. Fry, but the old man wouldn't stop.
You see, Sheriff, he'd gone out of his mind with grandiose schemes of enslaving mankind.
Miller and Langston had a terrible fight, so the old doctor strangled him in the dark of night.
He knew Samuel wouldn't get far, so he stuffed the corpse in the trunk of a car. When you called, Langston said Fry's out of his head, but you see, it was he who had finally gone mad.
Fry's return to the mansion gave Langston quite a start. I suppose the surprise was too much for his heart.
So before we close this book and put it back on the shelf, the moral of the story is, healer, heal thyself.
Thank you for the statements, but it sounds awfully rehearsed. Not many people I know can ad-lib in verse. Where are they going?
Back to their room.
And soon, back home.
Dr. Langston has no further need for lab animals.
Hold on one second. Will you show me the phone?
Bobby! Show him to my office.
This way, Sheriff.
You dropped your glasses, Doctor.
You have our full cooperation, Constable.
Thank you, Dr. Langston.
Don't mention it.
I'm sorry. It is Langston, isn't it?
No, it's, Fry, Samuel Fry. But what's in a name?
My mistake.
Indeed.
Thanks for everything, Doc.
What do you say, Bubby? You ready to face the outside world?
You betcha.
All right.
But it's not Bobby anymore. It's Bob.
All right. All right. Good luck.
All right, that's it. Come on. Bye.
Well, you got yourself an investor, my boy. I even have a slogan. Conquering the world, one mind at a time. What do you think of that?
I like it. I like it.
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
One mind at a time.
Beautiful.
I'll be hearing from you. Be good, Glenn.
Sorry, Doc. Can't do that. Shaking hands is a nasty habit.
I feel the same way myself. Here.
Hi, Doc.
Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Go. Back to where you once belonged. They're out there, the malcontents, the nonconformists, the fringe dwellers. Find them. Help them. Send them to us. For when minds have learned to mingle, when no thought is wholly one's own, and each has taken of the other too much to ever be entirely himself alone, only then do we know what it means to be human.
Man has failed to create a working society since we crawled out of the soup. Wouldn't it be wonderful, even at this late hour, to have a true universal consciousness? Think about it. Every moment of every day, someone, somewhere is falling in love. If only we could tap into that, we'd all be fools in love forever.